Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I would like to present you a very useful smartphone holder from Ulanzi. It's the model S-02S. It has an S because this model has a spring. And I want to show you how it looks and how to mount it on a tripod. So basically this is the box. Here we have some information. Here we have a picture with the product. As you can see, it's made in China. Yeah, this is the box. Let's open the product now. So inside the box we have only the product. It comes in this plastic bag. And this is the product. As you can see, and here it's made of metal. Here we have the logo of the company. Here we have the screw to adjust the size of the holder. And as I told you, it has a spring, so basically it will keep the holder in place. It will not allow it to move like this. I have an older version of this holder which is without the spring, and basically when you don't have the smartphone in it, it makes like this when you move it, so it's very annoying. That's why I decided to buy this model with the spring. So as you can see, the quality of the materials is very good. It's made of black matte metal. Here we have some rubber, and it's the same here on this part in order to keep the smartphone steady. This is the screw that you can use to adjust the size of the holder. It can go up to maximum 10 centimeters, so it's quite a lot. Here you have a cold shoe connector, and here you have a 1/4 connector. Here you have another 1/4 connector, and here you have another 1/4 connector. So you have one cold shoe and 3 1/4 connectors. And I want to show you how to mount it on a tripod. So this is a tripod also from Ulanzi. It's my favorite tripod when I'm traveling. So as you can see here, I have a 1/4 screw. What you need to do is just to make sure that you screw the screw in the right position. Let me adjust a little bit. Okay, and this is how it looks when it is mounted on the tripod. It's a bit heavy, I would say, but it's metal. It's normal to be like that. But I like the quality of the materials they used to make it. Yeah, it looks premium. Let me show you how it looks when you have a phone mounted on it. So right now I open it quite a lot. I need to adjust it. Okay, so this is how it looks when it has a smartphone mounted on it. For me, it will be very useful. I needed one of these because it's made of metal and is durable and it's very steady. The ones that are made of plastic are not so steady, so they move a lot. That's why I decided to buy this one. And I like the fact that I can adjust the size and make it bigger or smaller depending on the phone. Yeah, okay, guys, this was the unboxing and the presentation. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the like button. Thanks.